வணக்கம். 24-10 rule. This is one of the thumb rules in personal finance. This rule helps to keep our finances under control, particularly when we are buying a new vehicle for personal use. This is one of the best suited rule when we buy a vehicle for personal use, maybe a car or a two-wheeler. Here, 20 stands for the down payment amount, that is 20% of the vehicle price should be paid by us, not from other borrowing. It is better to make as much down payment as possible. Then 4 stands for the number of years of financing. The lenders may give more time for EMI payment. It is better to stick to 4 years. 10 stands for the ideal percentage of our net take home salary that should go towards the monthly installment, that is EMI. The equated monthly installment should not be more than 10% of the monthly income. Shall we see an example to understand this rule better? My net take home monthly salary is rupees 35,000. I want to buy one car. The on-road price of the car is rupees 3,25,000. Now, first I have to calculate 10% of my monthly net take home salary, that is 10% of 35,000 equal to 3,500. Next, 20% of my car value needs to be calculated. So 20% of 3,25,000 equal to 65,000. Now I have to take the decision based on this rule. 1. 65,000 minimum must be paid as down payment. The EMI should not be more than 3,500. Loan tenure must be within 4 years. If the lender is ready to give more credit period also, we have to stick on this 4 years. If I cannot complete in 4 years, what is to be done for the repayment? 1. Pay more down payment but not from another loan, or 2. Choose a lesser price car, or find another source of income to complete the EMI within this 4 years. That amount should not be borrowed. Find out a source of income. This 24-10 rule is really a good rule for middle class people to plan their personal spending. Thank you. We will meet in the next video with an interesting personal rule. Thank you.